In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can add Google Calendar functionality to your Monday.com workspace in just a few clicks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to search for, and how to install the right app. Quick note before we begin. You may need permission to install apps in your account. If you don't see the options I mentioned, your admin might need to enable app installs for you. Start on your Monday.com dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see your boards and recent activity. Give yourself a moment to confirm you're in the correct account and workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams. Being in the right place will make the installation visible where you need it. Next, open the Monday Marketplace. You'll usually find it from the main navigation or app menu inside Monday.com. Clicking it opens a dedicated window that lists all official and partner-built apps that extend Monday's capabilities. Think of this as your app store for Monday, organized, searchable, and with detailed pages for each app. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type Google Calendar. Keep the spelling simple, no extra punctuation. Press enter and wait a moment for results to load. If you don't see what you expect, clear any filters or try the full term again. Once the results appear, look for the listing named Google Calendar Embed for Monday.com. This is the app we want today. The title will match exactly, and the listing page will include a description of what it does, screenshots, and permissions. Go ahead and click the Google Calendar Embed for Monday.com listing to open its details page. Take a moment to read the overview so you understand what you're getting. This app embeds a live Google Calendar inside Monday.com, so your team can view schedules alongside boards and dashboards. It's primarily an embed, not a full two-way sync, which is perfect if you want visibility without complex setup. When you're ready, click Install App. You'll be prompted to confirm the workspace where the app will be available and to review any permissions. If your organization manages install centrally, you might see an approval request instead. Totally normal. Once installation finishes, the app is added to your account and ready for you to use within your Monday.com environment. That's it. Dashboard, Marketplace, search, select the Google Calendar Embed app, and install. If search results don't show the app, double-check filters, your region, or your account permissions, and always review the app's description for pricing, support, and updates before installing.